Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, it's Energy. That's me, the Terry from TNG. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little quick idea for brunch, for breakfast ideas, and even with Ramadan coming up. It's an easy dish to have for suhoor on a morning. So we're basically going to be doing chicken paste today using chicken thighs, and I'll show you how to do it from scratch. You can also use minced chicken if you want, but I find using the whole chicken, either breast or thigh, it makes it a lot, it's cheaper, one, and I don't know, I think it's a nicer piece than the minced chicken itself. So let's check it out. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is put your clean chicken to boil, and you want to make sure you clean it properly with lime juice or lemon juice, and you want to cook it through fully. And I'm not adding any salt or anything to it just yet. You just want to boil it through properly. Once it finishes boiling, you want to strain it and get rid of all that extra juice. You can wash it out if you want. And you want to just set it aside to cool, because it's going to be easier to work with once it's cooled. The next step you're going to have to be doing is breaking off all the pieces of meat from the bone. So you're going to use your food processor for this step. You want to carefully remove all the pieces of meat from around the bone. Try not to get any little pieces of bone in it. Husband does not like when he gets small pieces of bone in it at all. So you want to do this. Don't get any of the cartilage pieces either. Although I like it, some people might not like it. So try best not to get any of that in it. Next step we're going to be doing is adding the seasoning. Now you don't have to add this. I know some people just prefer the salt and black pepper or regular chicken paste, but of course, you know, Chinese have to add different flavors to it. So we're going to do the shadow beni, pimento, and the garlic, and then I'm going to be using some JJ all-purpose seasoning, MSG or free all-purpose seasoning. Next step, just going to cover it, and you're going to just put it on the food processor and turn that on and let it all mince up into small pieces. You don't want to get any chunky pieces of chicken in it. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And then you want to add your mayo. Now the amount of mayo, you can, you know, add how much ever you want to, depending on how much mayo you like in it. If you don't want it to, you know, wet, just use a little less mayo. And that's what the finished chicken paste is going to be looking like. It's what it's supposed to look like. And it's that easy to just make a delicious chicken paste. The chicken paste, you can enjoy it with anything. You can do it toast bread, so you can put your lettuce on it. You have some onions or some sweet peppers you want to add to it as well, and just put on your chicken paste. 2 slices of bread, 1 slice, anything up to you. Add some cucumbers if you want it as well, and just make it into a nice breakfast or brunch, so snack idea, whichever way you like it. Or you can, a next option is using these tortilla corn wraps that come in very handy. You can get them at the supermarket, and you can have your chicken paste as a wrap as well, which makes a great brunch idea. I put that usually sometimes for husband, or sometimes he'll eat it for breakfast. And you just dressing it any way you want, filling it with the chicken paste, and again going in with just about any vegetable you have in your fridge and in any amount as well. Once it all filled up properly, you just want to wrap it carefully. You can add some a little thing of water, a little touch of water to for it to stick down properly. You just fold it all up, and you got yourself a delicious wrap to enjoy. Chicken paste filled wrap to have any time of day you want. So you got your wrap. Then we got the toast bread with chicken paste on it as well. 2 different options for you to try out. With the chicken paste, you can also fill puffs with it or croissants. Now the next thing you can do, all the extra chicken paste that you have, get an airtight container. You want to just fill it all up, and you can refrigerate this for up to like 2 or 3 days use. So coming up for Ramadan, this is one of those extremely great ideas. And this is what the final chicken paste looks like on toast bread and in a wrap form. So like I mentioned, it's a very easy dish to have, a very simple thing to put together, and comes in pretty handy as well. So you guys saw how quick and easy that was to put together. So it's good, like I mentioned, for suhoor with Ramadan coming up. You can keep it in the fridge 2 days if you want to eat that in the morning. It's good for breakfast ideas too, on the go, brunch ideas too, sandwich. So you can make it with the tortilla wrap that I did,
and also the whole wheat sliced bread. You can put it on croissants as well, anything you want to put it on. Just remember too, you can also add just about anything. You can add sweet peppers, you can add onions to the paste, but I prefer to add it when I'm ready to eat it because I don't like that onion taste to remain in the salad when it's in the fridge for too long. And yeah, just add about just any vegetable you have in your fridge to put, just go ahead and throw it all in as well. So I hope you liked the video, I hope you give it a try out, and thanks so much for watching. If you have a different variation of how you make your chicken paste, let me know. But this is a quick, easy idea, basic, simple recipe to put together. You can use light mayo. Give it a try, I'm sure you would love it. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna, that's me, the Jonathan TNT. Welcome back to my channel. Okay. Alright, so you guys saw how quick and easy that was. So that's you can add. So you guys saw how quick and easy that was to make. And it's a good, stop doing that, you distracted man.